is Eiko Meridith. I am the founder and also the festival director of the Kotatsu Japanese Animation Festival. Because not everybody can go to like London or bigger cities to watch the latest Japanese animation. We are trying to have like Japanese directors coming over, or Zoom Q&A, and also some workshops like how to draw comics. There's not many Japanese events, especially in Wales, compared to like other Scotland or England. And so yeah, I think it would be nice if there's more like international, more like a diverse. It's not just about like Japan or culture, maybe more like LGBT or disabled, more like, you know, like a kind of like universal events in a way. Say thank you, because obviously the Pontio was kind enough, because we had only a couple of films last year, but obviously we had a good audience and we having like a festival a bit longer. So we're just quite happy for Pontio giving this great chance, and there's an audience in that area as well, which is nice.